can't just go back.
Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing? In this video I'm going to be creating a lace pumpkin. I'll be using the foam pumpkins from the Dollar Tree, this acrylic white apple barrel paint from Walmart, and a brush from the Dollar Tree, and this stick that I took off one of those foam brushes from the Dollar Tree for the stem, but I'll later change that, and some paper lace doilies that I got from Dollar Tree. So the first thing I'm gonna do, of course, is paint the pumpkin white. I ended up having to use 3 coats of the acrylic white paint. So that's what I'm doing here. My inspiration is right here to the right, this beautiful lace pumpkin that I saw at Home Goods. So this is what I'm gonna be doing in this video. And also this video is in participation with a different kind of fall collab that's being hosted by the beautiful Shalomi or Penny Pincher, and she has several co-hosts, and I'll link all of those beautiful diva decorating channels in the description box. And although I use traditional colors, I do have some different fall colors also. So that was one of the main rules. You couldn't use traditional colors. Okay, I've already started layering my lace doilies. Had to cut them down to size. I'm gonna be using some Mod Podge to adhere it, and one of those cosmetic wedges, foam wedges, opposed to using a another paintbrush, since this is a small project. So, like anything, just spread the Mod Podge on and add your lace. But this lace is double, has 2 layers, so you'll see me later take one layer off. Because right here I was having trouble with it adhering, and I realized why. Yes, you have to separate the doilies, so it'll be thinner, so it'll be easier to adhere. So I'm just going to do this all around the pumpkin. And be sure to put the lace in those little folds of the pumpkin so it can lay flat. Okay, so you may have to use your finger to lay the lace down flat, but it's okay if it has wrinkles, because remember, it's lace. Okay, so I added one of the crystal knobs that I also got from Home Goods as the stem instead of the little wood stem. So this is it. I like the way it turns out. It's nice and textured. So this is something different for fall.